So how do you add an icon to the iPhone's favorites? On the iPhone, let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. So the favorite thing is like spread around the iPhone for multiple different features. For example, you go to the photos, you can click the heart icon and your photos are in the favorites folder. Same thing with contacts. You can open up a contact and click on add to favorites, right? And you separate it this way. And if you want to like set up favorite apps, there isn't any like official feature for it, but you can create a folder when you hold down your one icon over another. The folder will be formed, and it just means that you'll now have the option to name it however you want. And you can name it the favorites folder, right? So it just makes sense to have it this way, where you just put apps together which are your favorites. You give them make them quickly accessible from the home screen. Perhaps you might even put the folder into the dock below, into this place with 4 icons, and you'll be able to quickly access your favorite apps. So that is like a very popular method of organizing the apps and making sure that they are like stored in your favorites, right? Because other than that, you don't really have any kind of like organization available. Inside of the app library, we have some folders, but these are not editable. It's just how the phone decides to organize it. You can only just browse it, but you cannot reorganize it in any way. So that is something I wanted to show you. If you have some additional questions regarding this, let me know about that below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and videos similar to this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.